Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand visuals to Squarespace email campaigns step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the email campaigns section from your dashboard. Here, create a new campaign by selecting the Create button. Choose a layout that best suits your brand's aesthetic. Now, head to the Design tab within the campaign editor. In the Design tab, you can customize the background color to match your brand. Upload your logo by clicking on the logo placeholder. Position your logo at the top of the email for brand visibility. Next, scroll down to the header section. Here, you can adjust the font style and color to reflect your brand guidelines. Make sure to select fonts that are consistent with your website. Proceed to the Contents section of the email. Add text blocks for your messaging. Format the text using your brand colors to maintain consistency. Consider using call-to-action buttons that align with your brand style. Choose button colors and fonts that are easily recognizable. Now, upload any images that represent your brand visually. Drag and drop these images into your content blocks. Ensure images are high resolution for the best display. Once your visuals are in place, preview the email to check for alignment with your brand. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing and layout for a polished look. Finally, save your campaign and prepare it for sending. Review your email one last time to ensure all brand elements are represented accurately. Your brand visuals are now ready to engage your audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.